Shall I? Hello students, very good afternoon to all of you. So I hope that all of your preparation is going really good, and I'm very sorry for being little late. There were some technical issues, but I hope that we can still continue the class with all your doubts and everything. Okay, so in this video we will be talking about how to use log and antilog table, and I have given you a Google form, right? And in that Google form you have posted your doubts and everything, so I will be discussing those doubts as well. Okay, so really sorry students for wasting your little bit of time, but let's get started now. So okay, so I want all of you, so this is a live doubt clarification classes. Okay, so please don't spam anything. We will go very slow. You can just put down your doubts if you have any, or else I will be telling you whatever is required. Okay, so now we will have here a different thing, that is first of all I want to take the questions that you have taken, that you have posted in the Google form. Okay, so I have taken these doubts, and I will be talking about like whether you will be able to I'll be talking about like these questions, what all things you have posted, and if you still have any doubts you can do it. Okay, so let me just see what all you are commenting. Okay, so first of all, yes, okay, students please confirm is the voice is clear or not. I am getting some messages regarding voice. So is the voice clear, students? Hello, is it audible? Yes students, please check and let me know if the audio is clear or not. Please check about audio. Yes students, please check about the audio and let me know. Yes, I am getting that the audio is clear now, voice is clear. Yes, fine. So students, let's see first all of your doubts that you have posted. Okay, so what all questions were there? This was a Google form, the link was given regarding all your doubts. So first let me take one question quickly, not very much is there. So first of all, a question was there from a student that the previous year organic questions were very not so hard, they are pretty easy, but the model paper question seems hard. I just wanted to ask if the level of questions has increased, and if so, then what can we expect? So students, organic chemistry, definitely I will say the model paper questions are in the average level. Okay, they are not very difficult and very easy. So organic chemistry, the 5-marker questions are in the form of 3 plus 2, right? So you will find generally whether 3 mark will be little twisted, 2 marker will be little confusing, right? That so you don't have to worry exactly, but you have to prepare especially all the mechanisms, name reactions and reasoning questions. So from where will you get this? So I have made a detailed video on top 100 questions and top 50 questions. So please watch these 2 videos, prepare all the questions, reaction mechanisms and name reactions, then you will be able to tackle the section D part. Okay, next question is numericals and organic reason type question. So numerical, how to see log table, I will do here. We will be discussing some 10-15 problems on discussing of numericals, and then organic reasoning type, I told you the solutions, you can watch my videos. Next we have a question that, ma'am, are those 100 questions video and 50 questions video of organic chemistry enough for doing 2 and 5 marker organic questions? If not sufficient, what else should we add to our preparation to get full marks in organic chemistry? So students, see, what I will tell is whatever questions I have done, that is definitely sufficient, but if you still have time and you want to prepare more, so you can take Jivit book and do all the questions from there, or you can watch my Brahmastra session for organic chemistry. There also I have given you a lot of questions. So questions, I can say the collection of questions is very vast, right? But we have to pick up the most important questions. So I have given you the list of most important questions, but you can do it. Okay, fine. Next, so Harshit, see, balancing is not required here. No balancing is required for your, I can say, organic chemistry questions. Balancing is not required. Okay, Next, coming to, please upload the PDF of MCQ. So that is already uploaded. You can check that. Okay, in the link is there in the WhatsApp group. So in our WhatsApp channel, link of the WhatsApp channel is there in the description section. You can go there, click on the link, join our WhatsApp channel, and all the PDFs will be given to you. Okay, balancing in organic chemistry is not required. Okay, next we have ma'am, for chemistry numericals, will they have log table for solving? Yes, log table will be provided to you, but it is not that individually log table will not be given. It will be there with the invigilator. So you have to, whenever you are solving a question, you need log table. You have to ask to the invigilator, and they will give you, and then you have to solve it. Okay. Next we have, will atomic masses of elements will be provided in the question, ma'am? See, generally atomic masses should be provided, okay, but you should not take a risk. So please remember the atomic masses of certain most commonly used elements, like for example, you should be knowing for nickel. Please list down this one. Okay, 1 second. Yes, you should be taking for nickel, silver, gold. Okay, nickel, silver, gold, especially in the electrochemistry question, Faraday's first law and second law question, you will be getting that. So for that reason, you should be knowing. So you should be knowing the molecular masses of these elements. Okay, any more questions? Just let me see. 1 second. Okay, yes. Okay, fine. Yes, students, what else doubt you have? Some students are complaining about the audio. Please tell me, students, if the audio is clear or not. I am finding very yes, Anirudh, best of luck for you for your exam. Okay, how to find log I will discuss, students. Please wait. How to find log I'll be taking in this session, but let me first complete some of the questions. Okay, so next, is it important to learn the big derivations in this chapter, like expressions for integrated rate equations, 0th and first order? Since there are no 5-marker questions from this chapter, how much of a probability is there that PU will ask this derivation? So students, derivation will definitely be asked, and these derivations are only 3-marker questions. So in the section C, the 3-marker questions of physical chemistry, derivation will ask. So for chemical kinetics, 0th order and first order derivations you should prepare. Okay, next we have organic chemistry. Ma'am, for SN2 mechanism we have to draw stereo structure or bond structure. So it is advised to do stereo structure. Stereo structure means you should be showing a dash line and wedge line. Okay, you have to draw the structure in the form of dash line and wedge line. Okay, next, ma'am, for SN2 mechanism, okay, this I have already explained. Please explain the integrated equation for 0th order and first order. I will be taking this question. Okay, I'll be explaining this one. Next, in college, ma'am said that please do numericals from example problems solved in text. Similar problems come in exam. Please, I request you to do that, please, ma'am. So students, I have already included a lot of solved examples and in text questions, so you can definitely watch that. And yes, examples of the NCERT book you must be solving. Okay, very, very important. Okay, students, please wait. I will be taking all your questions. Please wait. Okay. Next we have here that is kinetics, integrated rate. Okay, next one, ma'am, please soon upload inorganic and physical chemistry. So students, that is already recorded. You will get that video today, so do not worry. Physical and inorganic questions will be there today. Okay, next we have ma'am, I don't have Jivit book and purchasing it in the last minute was not possible. However, I do have the Oswald book for second PUC. Is that okay? So dear, those students who don't have Jivit book, please do not worry. You can, if you have any reference book, you can refer. If not, you can refer to my videos. I have taken question from those books only, Jivit book and all. So you can refer to my videos for the question purpose. Okay, so do not worry even if you don't have the Jivit book. Okay, next, okay, how to find N for Gibbs free energy numerical, that also I will explain. So I have two doubts, that is derivations of 0th order and first order, and how to find the N value for Gibbs free energy. Okay, okay. Prithvi ji, please do not spam. I am reading all your comments. Please don't put these comments so many times. So first of all, Nishmita, yes, definitely I will make a video on all the formulas and graphs of physical chemistry, do not worry. Okay. Next, Dipashri, ma'am, is it necessary to write the byproducts in the main reaction? Is the main product enough? So the main product is enough, okay, but if there is like 2 dash 3 dash, it's a like fill in the blanks question, 2 or 3 dashes are given, then you have to write the byproduct also, okay, but mostly you have to write the main product. Then Prithvi, ma'am, I have done only physical chemistry and some inorganic, is 50 plus still possible? So dear, at least physical if you have done completely, okay, then also you have to do at least 1 or 2 organic chapters for section E part, right? So please try to solve in at least 1 or 2 chapters from organic chemistry. That will help you to get 50 plus. Without solving any organic chemistry chapter, you will not be able to get 50 plus, okay. So because you see 20 marks, you will be getting section B, you can solve anyway, 6 marks you will get. Section C, if you do physical and inorganic, you will get 15 marks, so 15 plus 6 almost 21. Then 930, 35 only you can get if you like I can say 40 up to 40 you can get if you completely skip organic chemistry, but not 50 plus, okay. Next, Rohan, ma'am, please say, is it necessary to write the byproducts? So dear, that's what I'm saying, byproducts, if there is only one blank given, then you have to write the main product. And generally certain reactions like reactions of alcohols with PCl3, reactions of alcohols with PCl5, these reactions require byproducts, okay. So because they are confusing, so in those type of reactions you should know byproducts, otherwise byproduct is not important, okay. Next we have can we take log in calculator as it is, as in calculator, is it accurate? So dear, you can take log in calculator, you have to use 15 times, you have to press the button, but that I think is little bit complicated. If you missed even 1 or 2 times, it will become wrong, so it is better to use log table there, okay. Beauty, please start section wise. In chemistry there are more, like not much questions, you will get enough time, so please write section wise, section A, then B, then C, then D, like that, go section wise, okay. GM, ma'am, I have done all the PYQs, but model paper seems to be hard, what should I do? So GM, please listen, first of all you have to do some previous year questions, you have to, but the question paper pattern has little bit changed, the level of questions has little bit increased, so that is why I request you to first see all our sessions and then go and attempt the questions, okay, from the previous from the model paper, okay. Okay, now students, I want all of you to focus on how to use log table. Those students are having doubt, let us start with how to use log table. So first of all, in which questions you will be requiring log table? In the first order kinetics question, in Arrhenius equation you may have to use log table, in Nernst equation you have to use log table, and then in Gibbs free energy equation also, where you have to find the equilibrium constant, there you have to use log table, okay. Study Sonu, ma'am, can you do MCQs on coordination compounds? So students, in the top 100 I have taken 10 questions from coordination compounds, but if you want to specify, practice more questions on coordination compound, please go to Chakravyuh series, just type Chakravyuh coordination compounds, you will get a video where you will be having almost 70 questions from that one particular chapter, you can revise that, okay. Yes, okay. Next, so let us see how to use log table. So this is how a log table looks, okay. You will have here columns, and here you will have the numbers, and here this is the mean difference, okay. So I will be taking one small example and I'll be telling you how to use log table. So the first one, if you see, it is like log 1732 you have to find, or you have to solve for log 1732. So how will you start? So see, first of all you have to find this 2 digit, 17 is the first 2 digits, find in the log table 17. So those students please who are having doubt in the log, please take your log paper and just try to solve with me. You will be having log table in the back side of your record books and all, or just download it and check how to use log table, okay. So if I have 1732, so first I will check 2 digits, that is 17, okay. Next, what is the third digit? 3. So I will check 0, 1, 2, 3. So 17th, see, you have to check 17th row and third column. That is it, 2380. It was 2380. right? Now what is the fourth digit here? 2, mean difference, that is your mean difference is 2. So you have to see here at 2 and this particular row which number is there. Let me explain once again. First you have to see first 2 digits, check that, okay, that row you have to check the third digit, that is 17, here it is 3. So 3 and 17, what is the number? 2380. So write it first separately, 2380, okay. Then second one is what? We have 5 here, right? So that is 5. So I will add this one, 2385, okay. Now what you have to do? So what you have to do is you have to see how many numbers are there, okay. Then subtract 1 from those many numbers. So how many numbers I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this 3 you have to write before this one, 3.2385. Please let me know. I will tell students when it is power form also I will tell. Please do not worry. Okay. So now see once again. Let's, students, please solve with me. Please solve with me so that all of you will clear. First of all, 17, 2 digits, you have taken 17 here, okay. Then third one, 3 is there, so 2380, okay. 17th row, third column, 2380, done. After that you have 2 here, 2 ka what is there? 5 here, okay. So I will get 2380 plus 5, 2385. Then how many digits are there in this number? 4 digits are there. 4 minus 1 you have to do, that is 3. So 3.282385, okay. Now those students who are asking me whether if it is in the form of power, okay, then how you should do. So the same thing I can write it in the form of like this, 1732 into 10 to the power of 3, right? 1732 into 10 to the power of 3 I can write. So you have to deal this one separately and this one separately, okay. Now see, whatever is the power there, just write down that one, 3, okay, plus. Next, for this one you have to follow the method that I told you. You have to check the first 2 digit, that is 17 here, right? 17 is there. Then third digit, so 2380, then mean difference 2385, and you have to put decimal before that, okay. What you have to do, if it is in the form of power, you have to take this one, right as it is. Then here 17 you have to take 2 digits. Then third you have to see 2380. Then 2 is 5. I will add these two, so I will get 2385. So I have to take that number and put a decimal here. Before that you have to put a decimal here, right? So now how much I will get this one? 3.2385. I hope this is clear. Yes students, log and antilog both I will do. Ravi Prasad, both I will do. Please wait, okay. Okay, I hope this is clear. Is this clear? Let's do the next one, okay. You have to solve for 20 to 9, 2 to 9, okay. 2 to 9 if you want to solve it. How can we do? 2 to 9, okay. 2 to 9, again I will take the first 2 digits, right? What is the first 2 digits? It is 22, right? 22 is there. So after that 9 is there. So what you have to check? You have to check 22 row, okay, and then you have to check 9th column. See, 22 row and 9th column, 3598, okay. So what I will do? 3598, 3598, okay. Now how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. 3 minus 1 I will do, right? 3 minus 1, that is 2. So I will get 2.3598. Yes, students, please tell me if you are getting this one. Yes, please tell me students, is yes 3598 we got, right? Next what I will do, I will subtract total 3 digit, 3 minus 1 is 2, so just put 2 and decimal, 2.3598. Yes Chandan, Shri Hari, very good. I hope you are getting. Yes. Any doubt students, please tell me. Yes, I hope this is clear. Got it. Very good. Very good students. Yes, very good. Let's move to the next one. Next one is log 29. You have to find for log 29. How can we do it? Can you try this one by your own? I'll give you 2 minutes. Yes, Shri Hari, fast only we will do. Fast only we will do. Just try this one, everyone. Okay. Students, I will take all your questions. We have just 5-7 questions. Let us finish this. Then one by one, I will take all your doubts. So please do not worry. Okay, please do not worry. So 29, please solve this one. Whatever is given, solve that one first. 29. 1.4624. Okay, let us see. Let us see, is it correct? So if you see 29, okay, so first 2 digits is there. So I will select 29. Now after that there is no number, right? So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So 29, and after that there is no number, so 29 and 0. So I will take 4, 6, 2, 4, right? Now you see how many digits are there? 2 digits are there, right? So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1.4624. This is what I will get. Okay, clear? Okay, very good students, all are getting it, I am very sure. Yes, now let us go to the next one. That is, yes, this one is little tricky. Only log 9 is there. You have to solve only log 9. Can we do this? Only log 9. Similarly, you have to do log 9. Yes, try this one, log 9. Yes, if it is in decimal form, how it is there, I will tell you. Study Sonu, please wait. Yes, Raja Appu, you can take that in calculator, but I think that is little bit difficult because you have to count and take 13 times, and if you miss 1 or 2 times, then the whole answer will become wrong. Yes, so now you see, first of all, log 9 I want, right? So for 9 there is no number. I have only 90 here. So I have to take here 90. That is 9542. Okay, 9542. Next, how many digits are here? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So just put a decimal, 0.9542. Yes, very good. Very good, students. Very good. Okay, next we will go to, the question was like this. If there is a decimal point number is there, okay, decimal 4, you see the previous 4 examples that I took, there was no decimal in the number. When there is a decimal in the number, how to do? Very important, check properly. See, if there is a decimal in the number, then also first you have to take the first 2 number. Okay, 43 only you have to consider. So if I have 43, what I will get? See, 43 is there. Okay, next what I have here? 0, 1, 2, 3. So 43 and third digit is 3. So 43, 3. I will match. This is the number I am getting. 6365. All are getting 6365? Yes. Now see, after that what you have to do? The next step, what we were exactly doing before? We were just calculating the total numbers and we are subtracting -1. Here you will, if there is a decimal, you have to only count the numbers present before decimal. So if you see here, only one number is present before decimal. So 1 minus 1, that is 0. Here you should not do 3 minus 1. This is wrong. This is wrong. 3 minus 1 is wrong here. If there is a decimal point, you have to calculate the numbers present, only how many numbers are present before decimal. Only one number is present, so 1 minus 1 is 0. You will get 0.6365. Yes, Srinivas, you got wrong. Sri Hari, that's what I am saying. If there is a decimal, if the number is 433, then what will be the log value of 433? See, I will check 43. 43 ka 3, 6365. Okay, then I will take 3 minus 1, 2. I will get 2.6365. But it is not like that. It is 4.33. So whenever in a number itself the decimal is there, you have to only consider the number before decimal. Number after decimal should not be considered. Okay, so I have how many numbers before decimal? 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So that is 0.6365. Is it clear, dear? Is it clear to everyone? Please put down in the comment section. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, Kalavati, that is correct. Yes. Okay, next we will move to, yes, try this one students. Please try this question by your own. 43.3. Please try this by your own. 1 minute I'll give you. Try this by your own. Karnataka, just wait. I have one more two, 3 questions. You just cannot be like, you need to practice at least 5-6 questions to be confident. So we will do little more questions, then we will go for antilog. Okay, now try this one and answer me. Try this question and answer me, everyone. All of you are doing very good. Okay, I am getting some answer. 1.6365. Let us check once again. So 43 and 3. So 43, 0, 1, 2, 3. 63.65. Okay, 6365. Then here I have 2 digits. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1.6365. Okay, see the difference here. If I have log 0. If I have log 433, then it will become 2.6365. If I have log 43.3, then it will become 1.6365. If I have log 4.33, then it will become 0.6365. I hope you have got the difference now. I hope all of you have got the difference now and it is clear to all of you. Okay, next we will get one more. Yes, students, try for this one. 0.8. Try this one. 0.8. See, whenever you have a number less than 1, the log value will always be negative. Please remember this one. If you have a number less than 1, then the log value will be negative. Okay, so how can I write this one first? 8 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Can I write like this? 8 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Then what I will do? Find this one separately, this one separately. Okay, so anything log 10 to the power of x is always equal to x. Okay, remember this one. Log 10 to the power of x is x. So I have here, see, and one more method is there. Log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, this rule is also there. Log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. So I can take, I have to find like this. 0.8 I can write like this in scientific notation. So I got log a into b. So log a plus log b, right? Log a plus log b. Now log a plus log b. This is, you can hear log 10 to the power of x is x. So this is minus 1. Okay, plus. For this one, how to find out? You have to find out for 8. For 8 I need 80. 9031 is there. 9031, right? Now there is only one number. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I'll put 0.9031. So I have to subtract minus 1 plus 0.9031. Okay. So now what I will get here? 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. Then I have to, 0.969 minus 0.969. Yes, Shri Varuni, antilog also we will do. Antilog will also be done. Please wait. I am taking different types of question. I think you will be understanding. We started with 3 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit. Then we are starting with negative numbers also. Okay. So this one will be minus 0.0969. Clear? Yes, all are getting this one? Yes. Raja Apu, there is nothing like that. You can take up to 2 decimal places. Okay, 2 decimal places is fine, or better is 3. So my recommendation is you can take up to 3 decimal places. Okay, that gives you more accurate answer. So you can take up to 3 decimal points. Okay, study Sonu, I will do it again. Please check. Yes, so GM, I will explain graph, don't worry, I will do the graph right now, okay? After this we will explain the graph, okay? So study Sonu, see here once again, see, I'll clear all and we will do once again, okay? Okay, so there are some rules that you should be knowing. First of all, okay, if a number is less than 1, okay, then log value will be negative for that number. Remember, if any number is there whose log value you want to calculate and its value is less than 1, then the log value will be negative. For 0.8, you have to find for 0.8, right? So I can write log 0. As 8 into 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay, next log of 10 to the power of x is x, and I have one more rule, that is log AB will be equal to log A plus log B. Okay, so now we have here log 8 plus log of 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay, so log 10 to the power of x is x, so minus 1 plus log 8, how will I find out? For 8 I will take 80, 9031 is there. Okay, then there is only one number, 1 minus 1 is 0, so I'll put 0 and this one, and then if I subtract I'll get minus 0.0969. Okay, clear? Yes, I show in exam Adi, that is the rule. Adi, see, any log 10 to the power of x, this is the rule, because we can write it like x log 10. Okay, and log 10 value is equal to 1, so x into 1 is equal to x, so that is why log 10 to the power of x is equal to x. Okay, yes, okay, fine. Now let's move. No Ravi Prasad, log 8 is not equal to log 80. Yes, those students who are doing in calculator, that is fine, okay, but I personally feel that is a much more difficult, because you have to count again and do, and if you get a log time you can check it again. I feel this is better, but yes, again this is your personal choice, you can use anything. Okay, now we will go to how to find anti-log. Okay, how to find anti-log. So for this one, see students, first of all we will check how to find anti-log. So you have to see here this one. In anti-log we will be more focused on the numbers after decimal. Okay, after decimal, what is the first 2 digit present? 0.21. So in the anti-log table you find first is 0.21. This is also like this, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, sorry, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? So first I will check 2 digits for after decimal. After decimal you have to consider this one, you have to forget. Numbers before decimal you have to forget here. Okay, so 2 1 is there, I'll take 2 1. Then below this 7th one, that is your 1648, right? Then after 7 also 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? So I have here, see, 1648. I hope you are getting it, students. First I will take 0.21. Okay, 0.21, then third digit is 7, so 7, 1648. So 21th row and 7th column 1648 I got. After that I have 7 here, that is 3 is there, so you have to add this 3 here. So what I will get here? 1651, right? 1651 I got. Now see what you have to do with this number. Whatever number is there before decimal, okay, you add 1 to that. Number before decimal is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So starting from this side, after 2 numbers you have to put the decimal point. Starting from this side, after 2 numbers you have to put the decimal point. Okay, okay, I hope all of you are getting. Yes, clear? Next, let's do one more question, it will be clear. See, similarly you have to, first of all, any number whose log value you should be counting. After decimal it should not have more than 4 places. After decimal it should have only 4 places. Okay, so here you see after decimal there are 5 places, so I will round it off and I will write it in this form. 2325. Okay, first I will make it after decimal 4 places. Then you have to check the first 2 digit. 0.23, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so 0.23, then I have 2, so I have 1706 here. Okay, you can see this number, that is 1706, right? Now after that we have fifth number, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so that is your 2. You have 1708. You got this number 1708. Okay. Okay, now after that you see that before decimal we have only one number, so I will add one number to this one. 1 plus 1 will be 2, right? So after 2 places I will put decimal and I'll get 17.08. Okay, sorry, 1 second, I did a small mistake here. 2 is there, right? So I have to add 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 will give me 3, right? So I have to put decimal after 3 places. I hope this is clear. Once again I am repeating. First of all, after decimal there should be only 4 places. So we round it off and we wrote it in this form. Then forget what is there before decimal. After decimal you have to focus. 23 is there, so check 23. Then you have 2, then focus here. Then we have also 5 here, so that is again 2. So I will add 1706 plus 2, I will get 1708. Before decimal I have 2, I will add 1 to that. 2 plus 1 is 3. So after 3 places we have to put a decimal point here. Okay. Okay. Next. Yes, solve this one. Try this one, 0.7525. Please try this one and tell. Please try this question. Students, please don't discuss among yourself. Don't distract. Yes, try this, all of you. Yes, students, please don't discuss among yourself. I already told you there are few questions. I will take this one. After that I will take your doubts. Okay, so don't put any unnecessary talking or gossip in the chat section. This is not meant for that. Okay, so please focus. If you have any doubt, please wait. You will post your doubt, I will clear your doubts. Okay, so Rohit has given me 0.5389 answer. Okay, let me check here. First I will take first 2 digits, 0.75. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so I have what, 0.75 and then 2, I have 5649. After 5649, so I got here, see, 75th row and this one I have 5649. Okay, next again I have 5 here, so this one is also like this. So this one starts from 1, so please be very careful here. See, this starts from 0, but this starts from 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth one, what I am having? Fifth one is your 4 here, right? So I will add 4 here. Yes. So I will get 9 plus 4, 13. Yeah, 5653 I got. Now before decimal there is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So after 1 point I will add decimal and I will get 5.653. No. Yes, Rohit, it has to be. No, students, see, you are getting confused between log and antilog. In log, okay, in log what we used to do, whatever number is there before decimal, how many numbers are there? Suppose 2 numbers are there, means 2 plus 1, 3, and you are putting 3 dot there. Not in antilog. What you have to do in antilog? In antilog, you have to check before that which number is there. You have to add that one number. For example, 0 is there, 0 plus 1 is 1. After one place, you have to put the decimal. I did not find anyone getting this correct. Yes, we will get 5.653. Okay. Yes. Anything calculation I did wrong? just a minute, 1 2 3. Okay, I have to check this one, right? Okay, here a small mistake, 7 is there. Okay, so yes, I did a small mistake. Thank you for pointing out. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is there. Then here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, first I will check 0.75, so I will get 0.75 here. Then after that I have 2, that is 5 6 4 9 I got. Okay, next I have 5 here. 5 number is here 7, right? So I have to take 7. Yes, that mistake I did. So I will get here 5 6 5 6. Okay, now before decimal there is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. After one decimal you have to, after one number you have to put decimal. So that is 5.656. Yes. Pradhan Raj, where do we use antilog in chemistry? So we have to use antilog to find equilibrium constant. Okay, so for example you have a question like this, that is E naught of the cell is equal to 2.303 RT by NF log of K, right? If K value is asked, what you have to do? You have to solve the complete value this side, then you have to take antilog on both sides. So that time you need to calculate the value of K. Yes, yes, meaningful, very good. Okay, next. Yes, students, try this question. Try this question. Yes, try this question. Yes, try the next question, 0.07525. So I told you after decimal there should be only how many numbers? After decimal there should be only 4 numbers. You see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So I will make it 0.075. Okay, 25 I can round it off to 3. For easy calculation I just made it 3. Okay, so yes, just try this one. I have first point, so here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so first you have to see 0.07, right? First you have to see 0.07 and then you have to see 5, that is 1189. Okay, after that you have to see 3. So you see I will get here 0.07. Okay, then you have 5 here. Okay, that is 1189. Then you have here 3. 3 will give you here 1, right? So just add these two numbers. I will get 1190. Okay, 1190. Next you see before decimal there is 0. 0 plus 1, that is 1. So 1.190 you will get. Okay, yes, very good students. Yes. Okay, so these are the questions that we have taken from antilog and log. Students, now tell me, is it clear to all of you how to find log and antilog? Can you do by your now? If any questions is asked, can you find log and antilog by yourself? Please let me know. Saki, 1.189, 1.19, that is fine. Okay, that difference will not be considered. That will be also correct. Okay, Fatima, for repeating, yes, definitely I'll repeat. See, first of all, you should check that after decimal in antilog there has to be 4 digits. Right now here I have how many digits? 5 digits. I first rounded it off and I got 0.0753. Okay, 0.0753 I calculated. Now if this one is there, I will take the first 2 digits. You can see here there is 0.07. Next I have 5. So here this is the number 1189. Then I have 3 also. So that is giving me 1 value. I will add this one. I'll get 1190. Then before decimal it is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So just put 1 after one decimal, after one number. So we will get 1.19. Okay, clear this one all of you? Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Shailesh, I hope this is clear. Okay, some students want some more questions, so let us solve some more questions. Okay, I will just give some more questions to all of you. Okay, just a minute. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's try some questions on this slide. Okay, you have to, now I'll give you log and antilog mix. Okay, you should not get confused. So you have to solve log of 8.27 yeah, 8 point, or let me give it in a different form. Find the log of 8.275 into 10 to the power of 3. This log value you have to find out. Please find out and tell me. Log of 8.275 into 10 to the power of 3. Please. Yes, GM, we are doing some more questions. Yes, Kashish, we are doing that again. Some students are asking how to calculate log value in calculator. Okay, I will be telling that as well. Please don't worry. Martin, how to make own table? You don't have to make own table, dear. You have to ask the table to the invigilator. Okay, log table, I have taken only screenshots of what values are needed. The entire log table will be given. You have to take it from there. Okay, you don't have to prepare your log table by your own. Yes, this one all of you solve and tell me. Okay, let us see. When you have like this, okay, 2 in the power of 10 is there. So that means you have to solve this one separately, this one separately. Log of 10 to the power of x is x, so this one is 3. Okay, plus here I will try first 82. 82 is here. See, yes, 82 is here. Then I will see 7. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have not taken 7 here. Okay, just let me change the number a bit. Sorry, students. I will just write it like this, 0.826. Okay, so you see I will get this number here, 9170. 9170, right? So after that what I have to do, you see here how many numbers are there? One number is there, and you have to subtract one number. 1 minus 1 is 0, so I will get 0.917. So I will add these two, I will get 3.917. Okay, clear? No, GM, that is wrong. Manisha, log table will be available. Please do not worry. Invigilator has to give you log table. That is mandatory. All the exam centers will have log table. Okay, so please do not worry. .917 we will get, not minus, dear. No minus will come. When this type is given, this is separate, this is separate. Log of anything to the power of x is x. So this I got 3. This multiplication will change to plus. Then 826. You have to see 82 first. Okay, 82 first you have to check, and then you have to check 6. 9170. There is only one number before decimal. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 point I have to put this number, and I'll get 3.917. Okay, so students, that's all. I hope all of you are clear with this. Now I will be taking your questions. There are a lot of questions. I can see the comment section is full, but yes, I want all of you to be little bit patient and ask me one by one your questions. Okay, so I can see here certain questions like Shagufta is asking, ma'am, please give one more question. Okay, okay, Yashu, I will be answering. Just wait 1 minute. Just try one more question, then we will do. Okay, one more question some students have asked, so let me take one more question for the students. Okay, try this one. Okay, try this one. 0.483 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Try this one. Log value. Try this one. 0.483 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Try, this is the last one. I will be answering to others' question by that time. Okay. Okay. So Yashu Kushu Sky, ma'am, you made organic video. Does it enough to score full marks in part D? So definitely, dear, we have two videos in organic. One is top 100, top 50, and I have given you one video where I have discussed all name reactions and mechanisms. So if you do all these three videos, then definitely you can score very good. You can score full marks even in the organic chemistry section. I hope, Yashu, your doubt is clear. God Devil passing package is already there in the channel. You can just search passing package chemistry in our channel, you will get. Okay. Yes, Techno, GTA, 5 markers, you have to follow not only top 50 questions. There are two videos in organic chemistry, top 100 and top 50. If you do both the videos, then definitely you can get full marks. Okay. Ananya, please wait. I'll tell you how to calculate the log value using the calculator as well. Yes, Raja, bye bye. Take care. Please go and study. Ananya, please wait. First solve this one. A question is given. I can't find anyone answering these questions and lot of other chats are going on. So please first answer the question. Yes, I cannot find any answer here. Please answer this one. So how we will do this? See, when I say you these are two numbers, treat them separately. This log 10 to the power of x is x, so this is minus 3. Okay, multiplication number will change to plus. Then we have this number. First consider two numbers 0.48. So I have here first two numbers is 48 here, right? 48. Then you have 3. So if you see, this number starts like this 0, 1, 2 and 3. So I have this one 6839 here, right? 6839. So I will get, one second, I will get here 6839. Okay. Now you see here there is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So I will put here minus, one second. Let me just write down this one. So you will get 6831. Then we will get here 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Okay. So if I solve this, how much I will get? Yes, students, can you tell me the answer for this one? Please solve it. Yes. Okay, here I did a mistake, right? One second. Yes. So how much I will get this one? Please solve it. No dear, minus 468, how are you getting? Okay, this one is, okay, I made a mistake here. This one is not minus 1. See how we were solving. Yes, minus 3.68 minus, this is minus, you will get minus 3.6839. Yes, minus 3.6839. Sanjeev Ali is correct here. Okay. Yes, students. So now I will go to graph question that you have asked me in the doubt section. There were some students asking for graph question, how to remember the graph thing. Okay. So see here, first of all, graph, always remember it is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So for example, you have to draw, you have the graph of kt is equal to 2.303 log of r naught by r. Okay, suppose this is the there and you have to draw the graph for, suppose the graph is, you have to draw for log of r naught by r versus t. Suppose you have to draw this graph. Okay, then what we have? Okay, so now see, first of all you have to arrange this equation where you have to keep, this is y, this is, and this is your x-axis. Okay, so you have to take the y term to one side and x term to another side. So which is my y term? This is y term and this is your x term, right? So what I will take this one and I will write all other things on the other side. So I can write kt by 2.303 is equal to log of r naught by r. Okay. Okay, so now you see, this is your y value. Okay, this is your x value is your t. Then what is the slope value here? K by 2.303. It is a positive number starting from 0. So the graph is like this. So you will have log of r naught by r by t. Okay, next, what is the slope here? K by 2.303. Okay, getting? Okay. Okay, students, so now I will be answering your questions. Yes, Shagufta is very correct here. Slope is equal to k by 2.303. Okay, yes. So any questions, students, please put down your doubts quickly. I can see some of them. I will be answering quickly whatever I am seeing. Passing package is already there, those who are asking. Okay, next we have here what is a good aggregate for PCM score for KCET? Kedar has asked this question. So it is 290 plus, beta. You have to get 290 plus. Okay. Then Martin, graph, what all graphs we have? So first order, zeroth order, then you have graph in the solutions chapter. Okay, the mole fraction, vapor pressure graph, boiling point graph, freezing point graph. So all the graph you can do. I will make a video in which I'll be giving you all the physical chemistry formulas and graphs. Okay, it will be there tomorrow, do not worry. Bye bye, students. Those who are clear, doubts are cleared, please go back and start studying. Yes. Okay, Dipashri ma'am, compulsory questions like preparations, SN1, SN2, all they have not given in the model paper, but will the compulsory questions appear in the exam? The second model paper in MCQs chapter are mixed in exam. Is it same? Yes, Dipashri, questions can be asked in that way. That's why I told you, you should be very thorough with your NCERT to solve the MCQ questions. Okay, so please do it in that way. Okay. Chandan, reasoning based questions, today I will be releasing and giving you the D and F block and all the total physical and inorganic chemistry, so that we can do, so do not worry. Okay, Chandan, reasoning based questions we will be giving. I have already recorded, it will be published today evening. Okay. Kedar, how to get full marks in reaction questions? So definitely you should be very thorough with the reactions for that. Okay, so please make sure that you have revised all the reactions, all the questions you have done properly. So if that is there, then definitely you will get to solve the questions. Okay. Yes, students, can you put quickly the questions that you want? Manisha, till all your doubts are cleared, the class will be here. I am there till all of your doubts are cleared. Okay. Any other doubts you can put down? If I find that. Okay, Manisha, very good question. Ma'am, can you explain about conductivity varies with dilution and how does molar conductivity varies with dilution? Okay, Manisha, this is your question. Let me take this question. Okay, very important question. This is very important question. So first of all, you have to understand what is conductivity and what is molar conductivity. Okay, understand properly. Conductivity means what? Total conductivity means suppose there is 1 liter of volume. Okay, suppose I am drawing like this. This is 1 liter volume, this is 1 liter volume. Okay, now in this 1 liter volume, suppose there are 3 ions. So the conductivity for the number of ions present per unit volume is called as conductivity. Okay, so earlier what happened, suppose now in 1 unit of volume how many ions are there, that is your conductivity. Okay, so now suppose what happened earlier, there was in this container. See, just understand what happens. In this container, there is 1 liter water, okay? And what happens? You have 3 ions here. So the conductivity was because of 3 ions. Now you added more water to this one, okay? And you made it suppose 2 liters. Okay, now the total volume is 2 liter. So what will happen? These ions will move throughout the solution. So now what will happen? The total number of ions is still 3, right? Now suppose what happened? It became 2 here and 1 here. Okay, the number of ions have changed. Earlier, when there was no dilution, there were 3 ions in 1 liter. Now if you see, there is no fixed number. It is like 2 ions per liter or 1 ion per liter, right? These are the things that has happened. So when the conductivity, when dilution takes place, when dilution happens, what happens? Number of ions per unit volume decreases. So that is why kappa or conductivity also decreases. Okay, now on the other hand, what happens to molar conductivity? So if you see, what is the formula for concentration? Number of moles by volume. When you dilute it, volume will increase. If volume will increase, concentration will decrease definitely. And what is the formula for molar conductivity? Kappa into 1000 by C. Right? So when I am diluting, when I am diluting, concentration is decreasing. Concentration is decreasing, so that is why molar conductivity will increase. Now a question may arise that when you are diluting, this value is also decreasing, right? Kappa is also decreasing, concentration is also decreasing, but the decrease in concentration is much more than the decrease in kappa value. So this is the dominant factor. So when this is decreasing, molar conductivity will increase. So on dilution, kappa will decrease, but molar conductivity will increase for both strong and weak electrolyte. I hope it is clear. Yes. Manisha, I hope that it is clear. Okay, next let me see what all questions are there. Chandanar, I am posting a reasoning question of and you can watch. I have one video on this one, that is KCET 60 out of 60 D and F block. All the properties I have explained, just watch it in 1.5x. You will be able to understand all the trends there. Okay. Yes, GM, I'll make a video on physical chemistry, all formulas on graphs I'll be discussing there. Okay. Yes, log page of last year NCERT, last page of NCERT is correct. No problem in that. So Manisha, please tell me if it is clear to you. Rohit, see, tough or not, that will definitely depend on your preparation. So yes, I cannot say the question paper will be very easy, but yes, it will be in the average level. Okay. Manisha, I have already done for you. Then Yes, Shagufta, that many numericals are obviously okay. Textbook examples and the videos that I have made, those numericals if you have done, that is more than enough. Okay. Anamika, inorganic and organic I have already given. Today it will be posted. That video today will be done. Okay. Okay, Kedar edits is having a doubt on boiling point and acidity order. So dear, see, boiling point you have to check on mass. If mass is increasing, boiling point will increase. If branching is increasing, boiling point will decrease. Okay, then you have asked about acidity order. So for acidity order, if electron withdrawing group is there, acidity will increase, and if electron donating group is there, acidity will decrease. So for this you should be knowing the list of electron withdrawing groups and donating groups. So withdrawing group, the mainly from where question is asked is your NO2, and donating groups you have many things like OCH3, then you have any CH3 group. Okay, and here X group is there, halogen groups are there, and then you have NH2 groups. Okay, so this is what you have to remember. Electron donating group will increase the acidity, electron withdrawing group will decrease the acidity. Okay. Manisha, Wheatstone bridge network, you don't have to study, but you have to study the limitations of Wheatstone bridge. That is why we cannot use Wheatstone bridge to measure the conductivity of electrolytic solutions. What are the problems there and what is the solution of that? That you can do. Okay, that I have discussed many times. Gagan, no dear, I have two videos on organic chemistry, one top 100 and top 50, so please do both of them, then it will be more clear. Okay. Next, Anamika, I will be posting it today, do not worry. My net is not working. I think I am not able to see your comments. Just a minute. Okay, please wait, students. Yes, any other doubts? Any other doubts, please post down. Okay, I have got so many questions. Gagan, I have told you top 50 and top 100 both you have to watch. Okay. Sri Hari, Arrhenius equation, ma'am, CFT. Okay, so first Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation, what is the doubt here? So you have Arrhenius equation is K equal to A into e to the power of minus EA by RT. Okay, question can be asked generally to write the Arrhenius equation and explain all the terms. And one more question is your log of K2 by K1 is equal to log log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R, EA by 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. So here K values will be given, temperatures will be given, you have to find mostly activation energy. Such type of questions are generally asked. Okay. Chandan R, you can expect questions like model paper. Okay. Yes, Shagufta, tomorrow I will be uploading a video where I will be discussing all the formulas and the graph. Yes, Gagan, one more video I will be publishing tomorrow where I will be giving you 50 most important questions so that you can easily solve the question. Okay, so here there is a request to derive the 0th order and first order reactions. Okay, so quickly we will derive this one. Okay, so see here I am not writing everything in detail, I will just tell you what is the derivation process. So if I have a reaction like, and one more thing students, when you have this one, when you are deriving, okay, always use reactants gives you product. Do not write A gives you B. A gives you B is wrong. So here I can write rate is equal to minus dr by dt, right? Then I can also write that rate is equal to K into R to the power of 0. If it is a zeroth order reaction, then it is equal to K. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. I can equate both of them and I can write minus dr by dt, okay, is equal to K. Now what I can do, I can just take this one like this, minus dr is equal to K dt. Now take integration on both sides. So I will get what? I will get this one as minus r kt plus I. Here I is a integration constant. You have to find the value of I. So to find the value of I, you have to take time is equal to 0 and you have to take r is equal to r0. Okay. So now I will substitute here minus r. I will take here r0 is equal to K. So K into T becomes 0. Okay, K into T will become 0 and this one will become I. Okay, so now what will happen? I got the value of I. I will substitute that here. So I have minus R, okay, is equal to KT plus minus R0. Okay, I'll take this one to this side. I will get R0 minus R is equal to K into T. So that is your derivation for zeroth order. Okay. Yes. Upcoming schedule. Okay, Shagufta has a very valid doubt here. Ma'am, tell about the depression in freezing point, like maximum depression and minimum depression. This is very important question. So Shagufta, please listen carefully. I have explained this in the MCQ section also. If the question is asking maximum, oh sorry, one second. Yes, if the question is asking maximum or minimum depression in freezing point, maximum or minimum depression in freezing point. So suppose for example you have 0.01 KCl, 0.01 NaCl, 0.01 MgCl2, 0.01 Al2 SO4 whole 3. Right, suppose this is the options given. Maximum or minimum depression in freezing point. So here it will depend on the I value. Here I value is 2, here also I value is 2, here the I value is 3 and the here I value is 5, right? So I can say that delta TF is equal to I into KF into M. KF and M is constant, so I value is maximum for 5. So delta TF or the depression in freezing point is maximum in this one. Okay, total depression, in which of the following the depression is maximum, in which case the freezing point has depressed or has gone down maximum, that is your Al2SO4 whole 3. But if the question is asking you maximum freezing point, which one is having maximum freezing point? Which one is having maximum freezing point? So I will just remove one option from here. Just let us consider these three. Now see, suppose initially water was, you have added all these solvents to water. You have added all these solutes to water. Water has a freezing point of 0 degrees Celsius. Now when you add 0.01 NaCl, its I value is 2, so it undergo depression till here. Now I value is 3 in this one, so here the depression is little more. Here the I value is 5, here the depression is up to this one. So now if you see which is having the highest freezing point, this one is having the lowest freezing point, and the one where the depression is minimum, that will have the highest freezing point. Like this one will become suppose -1, -2 and -3. So the highest value is -1, because you know negative, as we go down the values keep on decreasing. So I will say the maximum freezing point is in 0.01 M, maximum freezing point is in 0.01 M NaCl. Okay, clear? Okay, heteroleptic, Martin, you have to just study heteroleptic and homoleptic complexes. Okay, Okay, now coming about upcoming schedule. So upcoming schedule, students, we have almost done everything. Today we have a video of physical and inorganic chemistry. Tomorrow I will give you one video on top 50 questions and one video on physical chemistry formulas and graph. Okay, short video. The second one video will be a 30 minutes video, and like day after tomorrow early morning we will do a revision. I'll be releasing a video by 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. where all the important name reaction. I'll just give you the list what all things you have to revise at the last moment. Okay, that is the upcoming schedule. Okay, Shagufta, thank you so much. Now Kedar is having a doubt about crystal field theory. So Kedar, see, we have d orbitals, like all the 5 d orbitals are degenerate. Now what happens when we have given them ligands? When the ligands approaches the d orbitals, they start splitting. Okay, they start splitting there. So d orbitals will split in different way according to the way the ligands are approaching. If it is an octahedral field, then it will become T2G and EG. If it is a tetrahedral field, then it will become I can say first will be E and upper side will be T2. Okay, so that is what is crystal field. Okay, yes. Ma'am, Shagufta ma'am, compound which have the highest oxidation number, it will be stable or unstable. So dear, if it is having very high oxidation number, you have to check its electronic configuration. Like for example, we will consider cerium. For example, cerium is having higher oxidation state of +4. In that +4 oxidation state, it is having a noble gas configuration, so it will be stable. So generally high oxidation states are unstable, they tend to reduce, but again if there is electronic configuration, half filled electronic configuration or something, then they will be more stable. Okay, okay, Kedar edits. Okay, okay, so here's a question for mechanism of dehydration. See, mechanism of dehydration is, suppose you have any alcohol, just a minute, yes, suppose you have taken any alcohol, that is CH3OH, and then we have H plus. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, for dehydration I need minimum 2 carbons, so I will take 2 carbons. So I have, suppose, yeah, suppose I have CH2, okay, and here one H is there. I am explaining the mechanism of dehydration. Okay, so first what happens in acidic medium? Okay, this O plus takes this H plus, it gets protonated and we get CH2H, CH2, O plus H2. Okay, after this what happens? You get CH2, CH2, O plus H2. Okay, now what will happen? This one will be removed. Okay, so there is a removal of hydrogen, so we will get a carbocation here. Okay, a carbocation will be formed here. After this what happens? There is a double bond here. Okay, a double bond formation will take place and we will get a alkene group, that is CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, so that is your deprotonation, CH2H, then you have CH2 plus, and you will get this one here, you will get an alkene group. Okay, clear? Yes. Let me see, any other doubt you have? Okay, any other questions, students? Or we can take a leave, all of you can go and prepare. Okay, Ananya is a question, tell me how to calculate log value in calculator. Sorry Ananya, I have been I have missed your comments. So Ananya, you have to take, suppose you want to find log 2, for example, log 2. So you have to take 13 times of log 2, okay, 13 times of square root of 2, okay. So first find out square root, then just press square root, square root, square root up to 13 times, then the value you will get is your log value, okay. Clear? Okay, so students, that's all. I think we have cleared all your doubts. And sulfur containing amino acid is your lysine, okay, sorry, cysteine is the sulfur containing amino acid, okay. Shagufta, what is your question? Did I miss? I have ma'am, like in MCQ 4 options are given, like manganese having different oxidation state in option which will be more stable. So yes, then see, that's what I'm saying, you have to check in that different options what is the oxidation state of manganese, okay. If you can give me the question exactly, I can explain better. So generally higher oxidation states means it can undergo reduction, but again if the higher oxidation state is with oxygen or fluorine, then it will be more stable, okay. So you can give me the question, Shagufta, then I can explain it better. Now I'm not getting your question properly, okay. Any other doubts, students? I hope all of you are preparing well and all of you will get very good marks. So I'll be just putting my sessions that have been completed and that is remaining. So what all things we have completed? Completed is organic top 100 questions, then organic top 50 questions. After that, what I have completed? Organic name reactions plus mechanisms, okay. Then we have completed top 100 MCQs. Then I have completed top numericals, okay. After that, what is remaining? Physical plus inorganic complete revision. This will be uploaded today evening. I want all of you to watch. I have almost solved, I can say 150 or 160 questions are there, so definitely watch that. Then this is already there. Next we have physical chemistry formula plus graph video, okay. This one will be uploaded. And then we have last 30 minutes revision session on the exam day, okay. And then I will have I will try to make a small video on exam hall strategy, exam hall time management strategy, okay. So these are the upcoming sessions. Okay, Sagufta, so you can see, right, Mn2O7 higher oxidation state, it is with oxygen. So Mn2O7 will be stable there, okay. Okay. Manisha, I am not from Rourkela, but yes, I have studied from Rourkela, okay. Abhishek, paper will be not very easy, but it will be at the average type, okay. Chandan, aromatic amino acids, there can be many. You can write tyrosine, okay. Tryptophan, tyrosine. So there are some special properties that you should be knowing, okay. So like which is the optically inactive amino acids, the simplest amino acid. So you have tyrosine, tryptophan, then you have phenylalanine. These all are your aromatic amino acids. Okay. Okay students, Chandan, I have already answered. Questions will be mixed dear. You can expect questions similar to the model question paper, not the previous year questions. Model question paper is the one which you have to refer. Okay. Chandan already answered. Ma'am, please tell the total score by watching 50 questions. So dear, 50 questions will not work. You have to watch both 150 MCQs, 150 videos, then only you can get 20 on 20 in organic chemistry. And if you watch today's physical and chemistry, physical and inorganic, then definitely you can get 15 marks from there. Definitely all the questions you will be able to solve. So 3 plus 2, 5 into 3, 15 marks you will be able to get, 20, 15. And if you also see tomorrow's session, what is there? Tomorrow's session, yeah, so I can say 40 marks, 45 marks. You also have to, if you do not do this video which is coming today, then you will not be able to get marks. Chandan Vasaba, I have already replied dear. I have already replied. The question paper will be of the model paper question type, so please prepare accordingly. Yes. Okay, that's all students. I hope all the doubts are cleared. If you have any other doubts, the link of the form will be there, so you can put down in that, or you can make comments down. I will definitely address, and I'm trying to answer all of your comments which you have given in the previous videos. So yes, that's all, and let's see tomorrow. All the very best. Please do all the questions that I'm giving you, very very important. Okay, so thank you students. Bye bye. Now please don't waste time. Go and study. All the very best. Okay, chalo, bye. Yes, organic, my sessions are enough. There are 2-3 videos. These 3 videos on organic, if you do, that is enough. Okay. Kedar, glucose structures, it is mandatory, and there is no trick in that. You have to just see the figure and practice it again and again. That is only what I can say. Okay, bye dear. Please start studying everyone. Bye.